Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a portfolio on Bloomberg. First, you'll need to access the Bloomberg terminal. Once logged in, locate the Portfolio Management function, often found under the Port command. Next, select the option to create a new portfolio. You'll then be prompted to give your portfolio a unique name and specify its base currency, like US dollars or euros, which is crucial for accurate tracking. After naming your portfolio, you'll input essential details. This includes your initial capital, perhaps $100,000, which forms the starting point for your performance calculations. You'll also select your accounting method, such as average cost or first in, first out, which impacts how gains and losses are calculated. Finally, configure your reporting preferences to receive updates daily or weekly, keeping you informed. Now it's time to populate your portfolio with assets. You can add individual securities by entering their ticker symbols, such as APPLE for Apple or MSFT for Microsoft. For each security, you'll specify the quantity you hold and its purchase price. Bloomberg allows extensive customization, so you can tailor your views to display crucial metrics like profit and loss, asset allocation, and overall performance, giving you a clear picture. With your portfolio set up, you can continuously monitor its real-time performance and track changes in asset values. Bloomberg offers powerful analytics tools for in-depth risk assessment and scenario planning, helping you make informed decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These tools empower you to manage your investments effectively and stay ahead of market movements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.